Royale Play Infinitex Neotrick gives you a cube-like three-dimensional pattern which can be easily achieved using a simple technique of stencils. We are now going to learn the application process of Royale Play Infinitex Neotrick. Tools required: trowel, scraper, mixer machine or handheld mixing rod, color wash sponge, sanding paper grade 180, Rubik stencil. Material required: Royale Play Infinitex Royale Play Protective Coat. Step 1. Primer plus putty plus primer. Step 2. Application of 1 coat of Royale Play Infinitex. Step 3. Sanding and cleaning the surface and application of Royale Play Protective Coat. Step 4. Application of stencil by using Royale Play Infinitex. Let us see the application process in detail. Prepare a primer plus putty plus primer surface. Allow it to dry for 2 to 3 hours. Note: the surface should be leveled enough and free from any kind of defects. Do not prepare the surface by using solvent-based or oil-based undercoats. Next step is application of 1 coat of Royale Play Infinitex. Select a shade combination from the shade palette of Royale Play Infinitex. Tint the desired shade of Infinitex and mix it thoroughly using mixer machine or handheld mixing rod. Apply a coat of tinted Infinitex by using trowel and scraper throughout the wall. Note: ensure no scratch marks are seen on the wall surface. Allow it to dry for 8 to 12 hours. Next step is sanding, cleaning and application of Royale Play Protective Coat. Sand the wall surface with a 180 grade sanding paper. Clean the surface with clean and dry muslin cloth or with a regular brush. Now we will apply Protective Coat Clear. Dilute the Royale Play Clear Protective Coat with 1:2 parts of water. Apply it using sponge roller. To remove the excessive material and to merge the protective coat, use color wash sponge as shown in the video. Allow it to dry for 3 to 4 hours. Next step is the stencil application step. Tint a different shade of Infinitex available from the Infinitex color palette for stencil work. This will differentiate the stencil part. Once the stencil is positioned, stick it using masking tape so that it won't move during application. Loose parts of the stencil can be stuck using a small piece of masking tape underneath it to avoid smudging. Deposit Infinitex using a steel trowel or scraper according to the stencil design. Deposition is to be done following the stencil direction only. Do not deposit material with extensive pressure. For a large wall, we can always do the stenciling in random directions. In this video, we have done the stenciling in a vertical direction at the center of the wall. Cover the leftover part, that is the part without stencil of the wall, with the same shade of Infinitex as shown in the video. Allow it to dry for 12 hours. Infinitex Neotrick Wall is ready to mesmerize your home. Shades used: Royale Play Infinitex, Infinitex Brown Paper 8577 and Infinitex Cream Pie L152. Royale Play Protective Coat Clear 0908. Coverage: Royale Play Infinitex 5 to 6 square feet per kg for 2 coats. Royale Play Protective Coat 250 square feet per liter for 2 coats. Drying time: Royale Play Infinitex 8 to 12 hours. Royale Play Protective Coat 3 to 4 hours.